Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to convert USDT to BTC on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Binance. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the markets, we have the square tab, we have the tab where you can go and buy and deposit, we have the discover tab, and we have the portfolio tab at the end. But now guys, let's see how to convert USDT to BTC on Binance. So first of all, of course, you need to log into your account and go to trade. So basically trade is here, as you can see. Trading is here. Now what you need to do guys is go to Binance Converter or access Binance Convert from your fiat and spot wallet. So basically you need to go and find the converter, of course, where you can then go and do that. So choose either market or a limit order to convert your assets. Alternatively, on Binance US, you can log into your Binance US account, visit the wallet page, scroll down and click convert small balances. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to convert your small balance to. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.